Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. I'll be going over a couple different time frames here, but we're right up at a key spot from a technical analysis standpoint. So I kind of want to highlight what's been going on and what we want to look for in the future. Also, a little interesting kind of trend line lesson that can be made out of this, and I'll explain that in a few moments here. But I'll be using both the daily chart and 60-minute chart, and maybe I'll dive into something else as we get going. But let's just get moving with it. So the first thing that I want to highlight is this trend line that I had commented on, and it's pretty crazy. So if we use this point right here and then come up and use this whole region right here where the price was hovering, you can see that at this spot and this spot the trend line was providing support. However, when it was broken here, technical analysis 101 says that supports become resistance. So sure enough, the price broke through there, and then look what happened. It struggled to get back above it. So that quick, it fell, came back up, tried to get above it, couldn't, and lo and behold, now look, price came back up here, and look right at the region where it found resistance. Sure, we have the 200-day simple moving average swooping down on us, but still, isn't that it just amazes me how a simple line like that can do so well at forecasting where areas of resistance are going to be at. But with that being said, kind of have a double whammy here. We do have the 200-day simple moving average swooping down on us, and this is a key moving average that most people who utilize charts will monitor. There is a self-fulfilling prophecy type thing that goes into it. Lots of people expect there to be resistance, so usually there is. And sure enough, as you can see, the price has come up and is now hovering right around this area, struggling to get through. This could just be a pause before a bigger move up, but right now we are sitting at the crucial area where we have the 200-day simple moving average, and we have this trend line that's sitting here that's proved to be solid support, but now is proving to be resistance. So now I want to take a hop back to the 60-minute chart and kind of talk about what we see here. 60 minutes looking better in terms of the action. What I mean by that, I'll get this trend line out of here for now. But you can see that we had this area of resistance coming across here. Once again, this is a 60-minute chart, and just kept bouncing off it once, twice, 3 times. However, on the 4th time, when we did get through it here, very nice move up, and then this is the key part. The price pulled back today, and then right around this area found support, and then we had a nice close this last hour, as can be seen by this candlestick here. So as of right now, this level is holding strong, which is exactly what we want to see. Also, to extend this out a little bit more, and we are still on the 60-minute chart, have a nice little pattern here also. Whether you want to call this a wedge, an ascending triangle, whatever you want to throw the label on it. The point is, it's a nice bullish pattern showing that although we were leveling off here, our lows were still getting higher as time progressed. And now that we've broken out of this, it's going to be key that we stay above this level here. If this level fails, then I think we're going to have a little bit more of a pullback on the daily chart also, as remember on the daily chart we're struggling. Here's a daily. We're struggling with this orange line, but on the 60-minute, the orange line is our friend here. But nonetheless, we really need to see this line hold here if there's any sort of hope that we can break above the 200-day simple moving average on the daily chart. So definitely need to watch the 60-minute, and to hop down to the 30. I haven't looked at this, so I'm not sure what's going on. But yeah, same thing. As you can see, we have this pattern that's shaping up here, and just like the 60, we want to see this level hold but same sort of psychology here, as I figured. But let's keep our eye on this level here on the 60-minute, and if this can hold, which it has so far, especially today after today's pullback, then I think we got a good chance of getting above the 200 on the daily chart. But if this line fails, then we may have a drop down back down to 8,400 or so to give the 200 period simple moving average a test on this time frame. So if 8,600 can't hold, then we might have a drop to give the 8,400 a test. So possibly a 200-point move here if the 8,600 doesn't hold. Just once again, I go back to the daily. Let's keep our eyes on this orange line, and if we can start to get some closes above there and keep consistent with that, then there could be a whole new move to the upside over the summer. So very curious to see how this plays out through the rest of this week and next week. Once again, this was the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Thanks for listening.